In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Epic Games account to your PlayStation account in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you play games like Fortnite, Rocket League, or Fall Guys because linking your accounts can help sync your progress, purchases, and overall gaming experience across platforms. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open a browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, sign into your Epic Games account using your email and password. After you're logged in, head to the Account section. You can usually find this in your Profile or Account Settings area. Inside the Account page, look for the option that says Link Connection. This is where Epic Games lets you connect supported platforms. Click on that option and then select PlayStation Network from the list. Next, you'll be prompted to sign into your PlayStation account. Enter your PlayStation login details and follow the on-screen steps to authorize the connection. Once you confirm everything, your Epic Games account and PlayStation account will be linked together. That means your game progress and account data can sync properly across supported games. If you ever want to check the connection later, you can always return to your Epic Games account settings and review your linked accounts. And that's it. You've successfully linked Epic Games to your PlayStation account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs the same fix.